City life, country life. Life in the city and life in the country can be very different. If you grow up in the country, you can see fields, woods, rivers, mountains and farms with animals. You can also enjoy the peace and quiet with the only noise being the sounds of nature. But living close to nature can have its disadvantages. There aren't many buses and trains, so it's not always easy to go where you want. Also, if you like going to the cinema or shopping mall, you won't find places as close by as you would in the city. City life, on the other hand, offers a lot more places for entertainment. There are lots of shops and big department stores. People can visit parks and squares and other open spaces to relax and socialize. However, living in a city can have its drawbacks too. There are blocks of flats, skyscrapers, factories, and there are usually motorways nearby. This usually means lots of people live next to one another, as well as problems with air and noise pollution. You won't breathe in the fresh air of the country when you wake up in the morning in your flat. What do you prefer? Taking a walk in the woods or strolling around a big shopping mall?